Welcome to very first lesson of the course. First of all, I want to thank you for joining these lessons. I will try to share the best tips and tips, my expertise and secrets for creating Revit electrical projects in details. Not only basic information, how to place slides, switch and so on, but most interesting, how to make real project what you can actually build on construction site. This course will be consisting from 3 parts. First, it's a basic one. Yes, we need somehow to upload, link, to discuss different view questions and so on. Then, the second of all, it will be advanced part, most interesting about calculation, wiring sizes, lights, voltage drop and many electrical engineers stuff. And third, it will be my little experiment with you, community. We will wait for lesson what you need from me. Maybe I miss something. Yeah, we're all humans. So we will wait and I will create lesson for you. Also, we will have here 3 video modes. First of all, this is me speaking with you. It's some important information. Then screen sharing mode and screen sharing with little me at the top right corner. It will be maybe some highlights. Hello, my integrated video camera. So once again, important information, screen sharing with little me.